If your strawberry plants are producing berries that just don't taste the way you expected, you're not alone. This is one of the most common frustrations that gardeners experience. So many gardeners are able to grow strawberry plants that look healthy and even produce berries, but the flavor just isn't there. It can feel like you're doing everything right, but something is missing. But here's what most people don't realize is flavor is not random. A strawberry plant builds flavor based on a few key conditions. When those conditions are in place, the plant produces berries that are noticeably sweeter, richer, and more balanced. So over time here on the farm, I began to notice that flavor consistency comes back to three things: plant nutrition, vine ripening, and strawberry plant variety. So when these three things are working together, the difference in flavor is easy to taste. So first, let's take a look at plant nutrition and why it matters so much. Now, for a plant to grow well and to create strong flavor, it needs a minimum of 17 different nutrients. These nutrients are divided into macronutrients and micronutrients. So the plant uses more macronutrients, but both groups are essential. So the macronutrients include carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. So carbon comes from the soil and hydrogen and oxygen come from the water. So the nutrients that we need to provide through feeding are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. And calcium is especially important because strawberry plants need calcium to build strong cell walls, which helps create firm berries instead of soft or mushy ones. Now the micronutrients, sometimes called trace minerals, they include boron, chlorine, copper, iron, manganese, zinc, molybdenum, and nickel. These are needed in smaller amounts, but they play an important role in the plant's overall health and in developing the flavor profile of the berries. So when a strawberry plant is lacking these micronutrients, the flavor is often flat or it's off. But nutrients alone is not enough. Plants do not take nutrients directly from the soil in a simple way. These nutrients must first pass through the soil microbes, which convert them into a form the plant can actually use. So this is where organic growing becomes so important. Soil microbes are what make nutrients available to the plant. So compost is one of the best ways to add and support these microbes. When we use organic inputs, we protect the microbial life, and when chemical fertilizers are used heavily, they can reduce or damage those microbes, which limits the plant's ability to access the full range of nutrients that it needs. So when we look at flavor, it really starts with a living soil system. The plant needs all 17 nutrients, but it also needs a healthy soil biology to access them. The second piece is vine ripening. Much of the final flavor develops at the end of the ripening process. So when a strawberry plant is allowed to fully ripen its berries on the plant, the sugars and flavor compounds have time to develop. If berries are picked too early, even slightly early, they often taste more sour and less complete. So here on the farm, we regularly taste our berries as they are ripening so that we know when they are at their best. So the third piece is variety. So different strawberry plant varieties naturally have different flavor profiles, kind of like grapes and wine. So some are sweeter and some have more tartness. And when nutrition and ripening are in place, those differences become much more noticeable. So over time, we've taste tested a lot of varieties here on the farm, and you can try different varieties to see which profile that you like best. So all varieties will taste amazing when given the right nutrients and are vine ripened. When a strawberry plant has access to nutrients, when soil biology is active, and when berries are allowed to ripen fully, the plant naturally produces amazing flavor. So if you want strawberries that taste great and actually produce the first season, our free guide shows the system that we use here on the farm. So you can download the free guide, 8 weeks to your first strawberries, the high performance strawberry growing system for first season harvest, flowers in 4 weeks, ripe berries in 8 weeks. You can find the link in the video description below.